Oh, wow. A little whirlpool going on here. Uh-oh, I get water in my boots now. It's a little deep here. Here comes the car. Let's see how far they think they can make it. There are some crazy people here. Yeah, we got a beach. This mailbox has a planter right here, and it is completely underwater. This is where, oh holy moly. Oh man, I mean that is deep. I went into the road and it went all the way up to my knees. Oh. Oh, there's some more cars. Okay, all that's water right there. And let's see, it goes back behind this fence.